Hello, dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common and often uncomfortable topic: constipation. We'll walk you through what it is, why it happens, and then share with you 10 simple and effective ways to get rid of constipation right in the comfort of your home. Before we dive into our top tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay connected with us and informed about health tips. Now, let's get started. Understanding constipation. Constipation can be a real discomfort. It's when you're having trouble passing stool regularly or without strain. It can happen for various reasons, such as a lack of fiber in your diet, dehydration, or even certain medications. Not to worry, though, we've got you covered with some fantastic ways to ease this issue. So, here are 10 home remedies to help you get rid of constipation. Number 1. Hydration. First and foremost, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps soften your stool, making it easier to pass. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Number 2. High-fiber foods. Incorporate high-fiber foods into your diet, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Fiber adds bulk to your stool and promotes regular bowel movements. Number 3. Prunes. Prunes are your friend. They are a natural laxative and are packed with fiber and sorbitol, which can help relieve constipation. Number 4. Warm liquid. Sip on warm liquids, like herbal tea or warm water with lemon. This can stimulate your digestive system and make things flow more smoothly. Number 5. Exercise. Get moving. Regular physical activity, even a short walk, can help stimulate your intestines and relieve constipation. Number 6. Probiotics. Consider probiotics. They can help balance the bacteria in your gut, which is crucial for healthy digestion. Number 7. Olive oil. Olive oil is another remedy. Take a tablespoon of olive oil in the morning on an empty stomach. It can help lubricate your intestines and ease constipation. Number 8. Epsom salt. Epsom salt can work wonders. Dissolve a teaspoon in water and drink it. It has magnesium that can help relax your bowels. Number 9. Avoid processed foods. Steer clear of processed and fast foods. They are often low in fiber and can worsen constipation. Opt for whole, natural foods instead. Number 10. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are a fantastic addition to your diet. They are rich in fiber and can promote regular bowel movements. Simply sprinkle a tablespoon of ground flax seeds on your cereal or yogurt in the morning to help alleviate constipation. With these 10 remedies, you can get rid of constipation. Know you now have a comprehensive toolkit to combat constipation at home. Remember, it may take a little experimentation to find what works best for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and wellness advice. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.